everybody, it's Katie, and today's video is going to be a very fun collaboration. So I'm partnered with Alya Skin Australia, and they wanted me to do an honest review and a demo of their pink clay mask. Now, I only do collaborations with companies that I think are trustworthy, high quality products, and of course things that you would want to see. So I did a lot of research into this company, and from what I can tell, I love their company. Their products are high quality, and there's always positive comments. They gave me a 15% off discount for you all to use. I don't get any money out of it, just a disclaimer, but I would definitely use it because who doesn't love discounts? My first impression of this is such cute packaging. I love little boxes, and this is just the cutest pink little box there is, so that's super cool. On the front it says Alya Skin Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask Detoxify and Brighten. On one side there's a competition area where you post a photo of yourself in the face mask, tag them, and then one winner each month will receive years worth of Alya skincare for free, which is totally awesome because who doesn't love free stuff? On the back it has the ingredients. I'm pretty sure it's vegan, which is really nice because we love vegan products. The process says spread the mask evenly on your face, sit and chill for 10 minutes, and then remove the mask with a warm towel, and then you can use moisturizing cream after the mask. Alright, so now we're going to open the package, and let's hope I don't rip the box open. So first off, it has this little cute flyer thing, and then here is the product. So first off, I absolutely love this design. It's super cute. It's very tiny. It goes with the whole pink theme, and it's very simple. So I'm going to open it. It's a little white thingy. This smells amazing. It kind of smells like rose. It smells so clean and fresh, and it also smells like a beauty salon, if that makes sense. I mean, that's pretty good because it is a beauty product. And so I'm going to do this face mask with my fingers because I don't have a brush and I really don't want to clean a brush. I'm also putting my hair up so my hair doesn't get in my face. This is probably the first time you've seen my hair up because I don't wear my hair up during videos a lot. So sorry if I look like a whole new person, but that's what we're working with right now. So my hair is up, and I'm just going to apply this. I break out a lot on my T-zone, so like here, and then right here, and then I'll probably do a little right here. So that's what we're going to go with. Okay, this is a lot thicker than I thought it would be, but it's kind of nice, and also my hair is like in the way still. I'm just going to kind of, it's kind of chilly, and like it feels good. Ooh, this is really nice, and it spreads super easily, so I'm just gonna kind of spread it all over my face. And you might be able to tell I do have a breakout on my forehead, so you can kind of tell like by the little bumps. I guess I'm just gonna get this whole hand dirty. You can tell by the little bumps from the mask that I do have breakouts there. Gotta get my This is actually super nice, and it's so easy to spread with your fingers, so if you really don't want to use a brush, you really don't have to. And I barely used any, and it's gotten me like this far. So that is oh no, my hair is totally in it. So that's really nice. Like you can tell I have not used any at all, and it's gotten me this far. So I think that this is really good because it'll last a long time. And you can use it for many uses. Just gonna get a little under there. Gotta make sure it's pretty even. I don't want it too thick because then it's just gonna dry out my skin. And okay, so I'm gonna stop here. This is like my main areas where I do have trouble with acne still, and it's kind of annoying because I have acne and I'm 20 years old, but I know that like some people's skins are like that. I really have been trying to clear it up, so hopefully this will help me bring out my pores, open everything up, detoxify my skin, and feel good. I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and I will see you then. My hands are so dirty, but this is going to be so easy to wash off instead of washing a brush because I'm lazy. I have about 2 minutes left on the clock, and this is really hard right now, so definitely 10 minutes is the way to go. Don't do more than that. But it feels kind of good, and I think it's going to do really great for my skin. You can tell that you can see the pores, and yeah. Hi, okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and I'm going to take it off. So I have my little washcloth, and then I'm going to use warm water and take my whole mask off. Alright, and now we are back. My hair is down, my face is clean. That actually felt super good. I definitely feel like it made a difference in my skin. It just feels very clean and kind of detoxified, if that makes any sense at all. I do think it has improved my skin. I am a little red here and here just because I have sensitive skin, so I just put a little moisturizer on. But other than that, it turned out really good. So after all of that, I would definitely recommend this product to you guys. I think it's really good. It's not expensive. This lasts a long time. I know it looks like a tiny container, but as you can tell, like, I barely used any, and I was able to cover half of my face. So it makes me feel very clean and fresh, and I definitely think if I use it more, it'll make my skin very bright. I will give you guys the code for 15% off down below. If you guys want to use that, definitely use that to your advantage. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.